From boats riding elevators to bridges held by giant stone hands, the world is full of engineering wonders you've never imagined. In today's video, we're diving into the most mind-blowing structures on Earth that prove the future is already here. And trust us, you won't believe what's lifting boats, tilting bridges, and twisting roads in ways you've never seen before. Chinese boat lift. China is home to the world's tallest boat lift. It was built to help big ships move through a height difference of 113 meters. Earlier, boats had to pass through multiple lock gates one by one. But now, they can make the trip in just 10 minutes. It works like an elevator for boats. A boat floats into a massive water tank, and the whole tank slowly goes up or down. This lift is so powerful it can carry nearly 3,000 tons at once. Falkirk Wheel. Meet the world's only rotating boat lift, the Falkirk Wheel in Scotland. It moves boats between two canals at different heights by spinning like a giant wheel. Earlier, 11 lock gates were used for this job, and crossing them took over an hour. But now, this massive wheel completes the process in just 5 minutes. It looks like a huge gear with water-filled tanks on both ends. A boat floats onto one side, the wheel rotates, and the ship comes out on the other. And here's the fun fact. It only costs around $23 worth of electricity a day to run. In our country, people struggle to get lifts, while even boats have elevators in other countries. Pont Jacques Shabandelmas, France. The Jacques Shabandelmas Bridge in Bordeaux, France, is a vertical lift bridge that spans the Garonne River. It opened in 2013 with President François Hollande in attendance. The main span is 110 meters long and can rise 50 meters high. It's lifted around 120 times yearly for big ships heading to Bordeaux ports. 4 large towers raise the central section, which includes lanes for cars, bikes, and pedestrians. As of 2013, it's the longest vertical lift bridge in Europe. The bridge is named after Jacques Shabandelmas, a former French prime minister and mayor of Bordeaux. Rui Bridge. In China's Zhejiang province, a bridge twists like no other. It's called the Rui Bridge, which comprises 3 curved walkways and is almost see-through like glass. Look down, and you'll see the steep drop of the mountain below. Opened in 2020, this 140-meter-long bridge went viral for its jaw-dropping design. Rui means good luck in Chinese, making this bridge a walking path and a lucky charm. Aqueduct. Picture this: cars driving underneath water while boats float above them. It may sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but the Netherlands turned it into a reality in 2002. This engineering marvel, known as an aqueduct, resembles an upside-down bridge, with water on top and a bustling highway below. Spanning over the Veluwemeer Lake, this aqueduct, despite its modest size of 25 meters in length and 19 meters in width, is a testament to Dutch engineering. It's a daily route for thousands of vehicles, and the most surprising part, it has never shut down due to floods or earthquakes, ensuring a safe and reliable passage for all. Yakshi Expressway. China doesn't shy away from pushing limits. When engineers needed to build a road through mountains without cutting them, they devised a unique solution, the Yakshi Expressway. This 7.5-kilometer-long road winds through the mountain gaps with over 270 curves. You can't tell if you're going up or down when driving on it. The design is so complex that engineering students worldwide study it to understand how such a winding road can be so stable and strong. Millennium Bridge. In Newcastle, England, there's a bridge that looks like a bent eyebrow, and that's what many people call it. But what's truly remarkable is that this bridge can tilt. It's the world's first tilting bridge. When a big boat needs to pass, the entire bridge leans forward and backward, letting the boat glide underneath. It's like the bridge is blinking. Built in 2001, it only needs 8 motors and 4.5 minutes to tilt fully. Now imagine, what if it started tilting while you walked across it? Golden Bridge. In Vietnam, there's a golden bridge held up by two giant stone hands. And yes, it's real, not photoshopped. The Golden Bridge was built in 2018 and sits on a mountain about 1.5 kilometers above sea level. It stretches 150 meters long, is painted entirely gold, and offers a view. With thick fog beside you, jungle below, and mountain views ahead, it feels like walking inside a dream. Rolling Bridge, London. The Rolling Bridge in London is a unique structure designed by an English sculptor who won an architecture award. This small, 20-meter-long bridge has an incredible feature. It curls into an octagon using a powerful hydraulic piston system. When ships pass through the canal, the bridge folds up. Once the waterway is clear, it unrolls to let pedestrians cross. Even though it's small and relatively new, Londoners love it. The bridge was built using not only steel, but also glass and wood. Every day, thousands of people come to admire its creative design. Truly one of a kind in the world. Slowerhof Brug, Netherlands. The Slowerhof Brug in Leeuwarden, Netherlands is one of the strangest bridges. Built in 2000, it has a square platform, 15 meters long and wide, that looks like a catapult. This platform lifts straight up using massive levers and counterweights to let boats through. It's like a modern version of a medieval drawbridge, but looks more like a robot. The platform lifts almost vertically about 10 times a day. It's named after Dutch poet John Slowerhof, but locals call it the Flying Bridge.